here at the lovely durian vendor. Bought a 7-kilo durian, cup and cup. Got them to put it in a big tray for me. Where is it? Ah, there it is. And a 7-kilo durian. We weighed the flesh and it's only 1.5 kilos. But it looks good. All that durian. Look at all these fruitarians. On the way to the, what are the waterfalls called?
Mesa.
Mesa waterfalls with a bunch of fruitarians. This fruitarian, this fruitarian, this fruitarian, and this fruitarian. Here we are at Mesa Waterfall. Check it out. Beautiful. Yet another beautiful part of nature here in Chiang Mai. No matter where you go, always finding new things everywhere. Lovely people. Look at that. Natural water cave. Hi, George. Hi. Hide your face. Check it out. Come join us here in Chiang Mai, and you can be a part of this stuff every single day. Yo! What do we have here? Some watermelon.
Watermelon.
Some mangoes. And some sweet ass juicy durian.
And bananas.
And a banana.
And melons.
And coconut. Got some durian. Got some nature. Got some vegan friends. What else could you want? Yo, Carl Raw Ross. Smile for the camera.
Down after the camera.
Yeah.
Oh, hey.
Oh, yeah.
too short, huh? Why? No, last one. No. Where the ball?
Something funny. Oh, sorry, George.
Sorry, dude. End of the day. End of the day. No, it's not the end of the day.
Too much.
Half.
There's so much left of the day. It's not season.
We got it figured out. Refreshing.
Come join me in Chiang, Thailand. Peace.